Hi, this is Kit Welchlin, and welcome to Welchlin.com. Today's video blog is on managerial communication. The question is, why do performance appraisals go wrong? As we've been discussing performance appraisals, it causes me to reflect on just how skilled and talented I am. Sometimes I forget that people I supervise may not be as skilled and talented. I'm kind of a competitive person, so I've done, so many of their jobs. Yes, I set the standards. None of them compare to my performance. Yet I suppose I could always be a little better at giving performance appraisals. Years ago, I came across a great article by Terry Lowe entitled 8 Ways to Ruin a Performance Review. One was the halo effect, which happens when you like the person and positive ratings are given to all job duties when they really only excel in one. The pitchfork effect is the complete opposite, when we don't like one particular trait and the employee gets negative ratings for all areas of their performance. The central tendency bias can also occur when we resist giving the highest ratings, no one is that great, and we resist giving the lowest ratings because no one really is that bad, and all of the scores appear somewhat average. The recency error can occur when we rely too much on the most recent events or performance. Sometimes when someone has been part of the organization for a long time, we can fall victim to the length of service bias, and because their performance was high in the past, we give them a break on their current performance ratings. When we are too kind or want to minimize conflict or tension, we may become a loose rater and brush over the areas of substandard performance and dwell instead on the average or better areas of performance. Sometimes we are in a bad mood and become a tight rater, and are so critical we believe that nobody has been performing at the necessary standards. Finally, we may be a competitive rater. This happens when we are appraising the performance of someone that is doing our old job, and of course, they can't perform any tasks or duties as well as we did. I will work to be better at leaving the pitchfork at home and bridle my competitive spirit. I guess I have to remember I wasn't the best when I started either. I know, it's hard to believe. Thank you for watching this video blog on managerial communication. So the question was, why do performance appraisals go wrong? Because we are often unaware of our perceptual errors and improper predispositions. Be objective and accept the facts. Be kind, clear, and concise. Precise explanations and examples are paramount. Check back to Welchlin.com every Monday for a new video blog.